Welcome.
The foreigner is washing dishes. Hello mga guwaps, good morning. Magluto ako ng breakfast ni Bana. Mamaya mga guwaps kay mag-check-in kami doon sa hotel. Lilipat si Bana doon sa hotel. So, 2 gabi lang kami dito natulog sa ate ko. Initin ko lang to. Tapos ito. Tapos itlog. Tahong.
Sige lang, sige lang.
Kita kanang gamay na bitin sa kan.
Kuan man na, kanang delikado na day. Ina nga yung pagpilagtis ni kuan day. Tawag man sa kang mama day. Kuan man, naputo na. Ano sa paka? Sirahan mo na. Dahilog ka na. Dahilog na. Dili na kang bitin. Dahilog ba na. Doon ka na.
Try natin tong ano. Ala, mahulog. Yan ang mga guwaps, tapos na. Luto ko na. Magsantok tayo ng kanin.
Chloe, come. Ika. Where's Papa?
In the toilet then.
Toilet. Okay.
Stop no.
Yeah, dito. Mag-share kayo ng egg. Ha? Sigma kiss?
See my face. That is Simba face. Simba. That in the Netherlands there is a bike called fat bike. Huh?
Yeah.
And it is electric.
Electric bike.
So are you gonna sit there? Yeah, but it is actually for 16, but kids in my class that are 9 or 10, that they have a fat bike for their son.
Huh? Is it big or small?
Big.
What does this do?
And it's fast.
Yeah, it is fast.
Is it like dangerous a little?
Yeah, it's a little dangerous. Yeah.
What's your favorite? Your favorite seaweed? Try your flipping.
Tiny.
Really. Gesundheit. We say if you sneeze, we say Gesundheit.
It's
What
like,
does it mean?
it's like bless you.
Bless you.
Oh.
Gesundheit
Gesundheit.
means I wish you health, good health.
Wala na! Last na! Sino yung ano? Pupunta ko. Okay, last na to. Sino ang ganyan? 5 minutes! 5 minutes to start.
Untuk spaghetti.
Ik heb hier niet. Wacht. Together as one. Ini main bola. Okay, guys, lagi bukan niya top dance. Top dance, sige.
Dance stop.
Stop dance nga, gibaliktad lang, don't stop. Ayaw daw niya ng stop dance, dance stop lang. Maglaro ulit sila ng stop dance. Wag lang yung papel. Stop dance lang. Yan, enjoy din. Oh, yo, yo, yo. Oh, yo, yo, yo. Loto tayo ng spaghetti. Yan, kain spaghetti.
Spaghetti pa baba. Spaghetti pa baba.
Spaghetti made by Tita.
I have here.
Homemade spaghetti.
Your tita na guwapa.
Sino na tita?
Tara, yours truly.
And Tito Guapa.
Guwapa.
Guapo. Guapo. Sorry, Guapo.
Guwapa is for girls.
Yes, yes.
You are a girl.
I wear a skirt sometimes.
I will put cheese, but this time different kind of cheese.
Okay. I will have the 5-star restaurant. We don't have to go to a 5-star restaurant because we are already here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Here is 6-star restaurant. It's a 6-star.
1,000.
Wait.
Wait. Tita, can I make my own cheese? Your own cheese? Then you need to go to
Let me
a
try.
cow.
So,
Can I? Then you need to go to a cow.
no, like
And take milk.
This for mine.
that one. You want also cheese?
Parmesan.
Tita, I want cheese.
Yeah, this.
Ding 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 dong, ding 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 dong. Cheese.
It's not yummy. The cheese.
That's yummy. Just little because it's just yummy.
Okay. Makilig.
Thank you, Al.
It's makilig inyong lahat.
Let's start the salsa restaurant.
That is Jolly, Ecaths Jolly Spaghetti.
Jolly spaghetti. Jolly cat spaghetti.
Wow, Jolly Ecaths Spaghetti.
You know what Chloe used to say when something tastes good? Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Spaghettios.
Basket.
I always need this. Basket.
Was your own makeup word.
Instead of rice, we eat spaghetti. That's the dinner.
Today's dinner. Good.
Good? No rice? This is...
But today's dinner is a 5-star restaurant.
Wow! 5-star restaurant.
Close to
Narinig niyo yan?
cheesy trolley.
Easy tropical.
Spaghetti with dried fish.
How can you name that?
I wanna try. Not
It's
the
a soapy.
Carly wants to try the spaghetti with dried fish. Wow!
No.
Is it good?
Dried tuna is spaghetti.
Good or not?
I rate it 2 out of 10.
2 out of 10.
It's the worst I could taste.
What?
You know what's my worst? The medicine that I drank when I still have cough.
It's spaghetti.
It looks good. It's so pinkish,
Pero-
but when you taste it, it's
Yeah. The foreigner is washing dishes. With your saliva, patay tayo dyan. With the saliva. Honey, did you wash that with the soap? Yeah, oh, the joy. You use the joy in this one. This.
That's no joy.
Yeah. No joy in
For me, no joy.
food. What great. There is a spaghetti. Use the joy. Oh, yeah.
Waarom moet ik dat zetten? Hier?
Nee, daar bij de blauwe. De blauwe.
Wat blauw.
Yes. Ik heb eerst droge.
Oh.
Hala, maghugas natin. Day! Maghugas! Kami na lang punta maghugas, Day!
Chloe opnieuw. Athena opnieuw. Kirby, oh! Ook opnieuw. Start again.
Relax lang mo kayo, wala mo timer.
They all had to start again. Kirby, almost there, Kirby. Yeah. Go. Oh! Whoa.
Continue kayo tatlo.
Yeah, Kirby, second place. Her nose is too big. Oh.